Hello, you there? Yes, I mean you. Let's imagine you have a car. That's not really hard to imagine, is it? What kind of car? It doesn't really matter. Maybe a sports car. Or something for the outdoors. No matter what kind of car you pick, it almost certainly works with a smart key system. Okay, but how smart is it really? Let's say when it rains. Or snows. Or whatever. Many of these systems only work in fine weather. That's not very smart, is it? So, you can decide to wait for the sun to come out again, or trust the solution by Marquardt, the S3 modular door handle sensor. Our high-range NFC detection is compatible to Apple and Android devices. The Marquardt S3 is highly robust and reliable under all environmental conditions. Above all because the approach of a finger is detected by a sensor and therefore the system even works in contact with water, snow, or ice. Up to 3 capacitive sensors can be combined. And optional puddle lighting and pocket lighting is provided. The S3 requires only minimum installation space. Modularity is key. The sensor electronic is easily integrated into any application. And of course, our NFC communication interface is compliant to the CCC Digital Key Release 2.0. Thank you for your attention. We look forward to hearing from you soon.